Honestly, I'm done with these so-called coaches. They're all the same. Real experts don't need to teach. Why? Because they are too busy being successful. All they do is hype you up, take your money, and leave you hanging when it's time to actually deliver results. It's a scam. Yes, plain and simple. All these are telling you one thing. Coaches are scam. At least, according to random people online. And it doesn't end there. In every corner of social media, from comment sections to forums and even a sprinkle of blog posts and articles, these beliefs are loud and clear. Coaches are seen as nothing more than over-glorified salesmen peddling empty promises in flashy packages. They are accused of preying on the desperate, pulling in people who are just trying to improve their lives, only to leave them disappointed. The question is, why? Because people have tried. They've taken courses, following the steps, and listened to the motivational speeches, only to end up where they began, or worse off. So now, they are angry at an industry they feel is built on false promises and misleading claims, angry at a system that seems to set them up for failure. And they are not holding back. To them, every coach is a scammer in disguise. Every program is just another trap. They've seen enough coaches with sleek presentations and empty advice, and now they blame it all on us. And you know what? They are not completely wrong. Because for every dedicated coach, every true mentor who cares about real results, there are tons of others who are just in it for the money. People who abandon their clients the moment the payment clears. So yeah, these voices online, they've got a point. And the sad truth is, if you hear it often enough, you start to believe it. But it's not your fault. You thought coaching would be simple. It started with the dream of helping others get the same level of success you got. But little by little, reality crept in. It began with a few hours of administrative work here and there. Nothing big. Just, coordinating schedules and managing feedback. Then it grew. More students, more sessions, more logistics. Before you knew it, your days were consumed by emails, calendars, and follow-ups. Every time a student struggled, every time a client was disappointed, the responsibility landed squarely on you. Their frustrations, their failures, they all point back to you. And so you work harder, right? Despite the fact that the failure could have as well been the fault of your student. But nobody wants to hear that. Nobody cares if the student is too busy to fulfill their end of the bargain or too lazy to put in the efforts to get results. The coach takes the blame. So, you pushed yourself to do more, convinced that if you just put in a few extra hours, everything will fall into place. You took on every task, every responsibility, every problem. But it was never enough, because every week, every month, the cycle repeated itself, and they kept coming back to you. Parent, student, client, they looked at you as the answer, the one who will finally break the pattern and turn things around. And when that didn't happen, you were the one who had to face the music. Your clients don't get to see behind the scenes, the endless administrative work, back-to-back recordings to get the lesson across perfectly, and definitely not the overwhelming burnout. They only see one thing, the results. And when the results don't come fast enough, the blame is on you. I know, and you know, this wasn't what you signed up for. You are now buried in endless tasks. You've become more of a coordinator than a coach, more of a manager than a mentor, which means you've got a problem. And right now, you don't have a solution. You are stuck. But it doesn't have to be this way. What if it's because something is missing? What if it's not about the idea of coaching itself, but the way it's being done? What if you could change the perception and become the kind of coach that people trust, respect, and actually pay for? What I'm about to share with you in the next few minutes is your only way out. So, take a deep breath, okay? Relax and realize that by simply watching this short video to the very end, you've already taken your first step toward freedom. Yes, I mean freedom, because I'm about to show you how I broke free from being held back by the same problems you're facing now and discovered a way to finally take control, regain my time, and help my students succeed without losing sight of my vision and self-esteem in the process. Listen, I don't know you and you don't know me, but we share the same story. My name is Tolulokpe Michael, and I'm an entrepreneur, cybersecurity expert, and multiple six-figure career coach. I have helped hundreds of people land their dream jobs. But just like you, I've had someone call me a scammer, even with my good intentions of just sharing what took me from being an Uber driver to being a cybersecurity expert. At first, I thought, if I can do it for myself, surely I can help others do it too. But I quickly found out that passion alone is not enough. And if a student didn't succeed, if a client didn't reach their goal, the blame was all on me. Maybe you can relate to this too. Maybe for you, all these struggles are your present reality, and you can't even explain how you went from doing what you enjoy to wondering if it's even worth it anymore. It started so well, your students are getting results, and before you realized it, you were stuck. Actually, no, you are stuck. Like, you are stuck because until today, your passion has turned into a burden and left you wondering if coaching was ever the right path. And that stigma, that label they're so quick to throw at coaches, scam, is starting to get to you. They don't see the late nights, the back and forth messages, or the constant administrative work that drains your time and then leaves you very exhausted. They don't see all that. And when you ask other senior colleagues, you know what they tell you to do? They tell you to double down. They'll say things like, find ways to follow up with each student every day. Take on fewer clients but invest more time in each one. Or work harder to prove you're different. But they are missing the point. No matter how hard you work, how many clients you take on, or how many admin you try to juggle, the cycle never ends. Because it's not just about hard work, it's about the right systems, the right support. And without them, you're stuck fighting a battle you can't win. Now, you have to ask yourself, isn't there a way to scale your business to actually help your students succeed and to win back your time without letting it drain your energy? What if you could put the right systems in place, right? Systems that could handle the mundane, time-consuming tasks. What if you could finally focus on what you're truly good at, helping your students succeed? Because the truth is, when your students succeed, you succeed. So they call you a scam? No problem. Let's prove them wrong. Because I can help you become that coach, the one who understands why coaches are perceived as scams and knows exactly how to turn that perception around. A coach who can help your clients achieve real measurable results. Now, before you run off thinking this is yet another pitch from a scamming coach, understand this. This video is for coaches and instructors only. So if you're not one, you don't need to be here because you don't get it. If you have students, if you teach people, if you're a career coach, either you teach tech or you teach anything, you lead people to start a career, this is for you. If you're not a coach, you may try, but you will not get the full picture. The time invested in shooting, editing, and sharing your knowledge into consumable 20 to 40 minute videos for your clients to use. But if you're a coach watching this, I need you to know that the issue isn't coaching itself. It's just that we have so much to do within so little time, hence creating that gap in our coach-client relationship. And that's exactly why I'm inviting all coaches to a session where I will break down how to position yourself as the coach clients are dying to work with, and how to get your client results they can see and measure. We're talking specific strategies, practical frameworks, and insights that have been tested and proven. I will be introducing you to a system that provides all-round support you need to help take your client from learners to earners. And I mean support for every single step anyone on any career path would need to go from learning to earning. So the question is, why is this important? And why am I emphasizing this? It's simply because today, clients are smarter, more skeptical, and cautious. They want results, not just talk. So, if you're one of the very few good ones, you're not a scam. You're just missing a crucial piece of the puzzle. A system that can scale your business, free up your time, and give your clients success. And that's exactly what I'll be sharing at my upcoming session. During this session, I will review the exact strategies and tools that have helped my client achieve remarkable results. If you want to always beat the allegations random strangers throw your way online, trust me, you need to take that first step in making sure your client's success is a no-brainer. So, clear your schedule. Next month, you have to. In fact, you need to join me on this special meeting made just for you. The link to get all the details is down in the comment section. See, if you're an instructor or a coach, or you have a school where you teach people to get into career, you don't want to miss out on this. If you teach people to get into any career, either IT or that, it's the perfect opportunity for you to finally have a system that favors you, your time, and your students. We have spots for just 50 people, so get to it. Click the link and let's put an end to your coaching problems once and for all. All right, I'll see you at the meeting. Bye for now.